Hey, if you've been having problems where you feel like you're off balance and you're dizzy, today I'm going to go over some of the key areas you've got to have looked at to get to the cause of the problem. Hey, my name is Dr. Gregg Gerstin with Align Wellness Center, and I've been helping people to live a life of optimal health and well-being for the last 20 years without drugs and surgery. If that's something you like, go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We're constantly creating content to help you be able to live that life. Now, if you've been feeling off balance or dizzy, there's 4 areas you got to look at to make sure that you're working your best. Now, most of you have probably heard about the ears as being a number 1 or key area, and you do. Those semicircular canals are really important. And if you're having some challenges there or you haven't tried any of the maneuvers, I'm going to put a link to my favorite one that's safe for you to do at home. Go check it out. If you have problems, follow the directions in it. The second thing you got to look at is your jaw. The jaw feeds into the balance centers of the brain, and when there winds up being problems with your jaw, like jaw pain, TMJD, or temporomandibular dysfunction, then that's a sign that that area is getting too much information and it can cause you to have problems. You gotta have your eyes checked. Okay, whether you wear glasses or not, you want to have them looked at to make sure that there's no distortion coming in from some of the main peripheral areas. Then the last place you got to have looked at is your neck. The cervical spine feeds tons of information in to that brain center that controls balance. And a corrective chiropractor is the best person to do that. If you need help finding one, write down below. If you've got more questions, write down below. Once again, I'm Dr. Gregg Gerstin, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.